very sick. Well, hope watch my mom video. See you later, Lotus.
If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up.
What's up, roses? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this fun DIY natural disinfectant spray. This is the season where everybody is getting sick, cough, sniffles. It's like everywhere you turn somebody is sneezing on you. Melody right now is currently sick. I love to make this DIY spray. It is simply amazing and it truly does work, and it's all natural. Hope you guys enjoy.
Open up.
Peppermint is perfect. It is the perfect way to just open up your nasal passages. I just put about 6 or 7 drops of this, and then I use my cedar wood here, which is absolutely amazing. I'm running out pretty much of all of these essential oils, so I have to get some more, but you get the point. You get the point.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging.
Alright, y'all, so I literally spray this spray everywhere, on the couch, in the bed, Melody's room, her bed, the carpet, everywhere we sit. Once we get up, I spray it. I go crazy with the spray, y'all, because especially when we're all not trying to get sick when somebody else is sick, you know. Then, y'all, the biggest thing that incredibly and is amazing, it really helps, is this humidifier. I got this humidifier at Salvation Army, I think for like $4. Look at that beautiful mist of amazingness. Then you want to make sure that you are cleaning your humidifier, so I just use this all natural cleaner. You can get this at your local Target. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Peace out.